In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the free Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger step by step. This is one of the best ways to speed up your website, improve security, and protect your domain with Cloudflare's global network. And the best part is, it's completely free. If you're hosting your website on Hostinger and want better performance and protection, this tutorial is for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a Cloudflare account. Open your browser and go to cloudflare.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password, then click Create Account. After logging in, Cloudflare will ask you to add your domain. Type in your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and click Add Site. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Select the free plan. The free plan is more than enough for most websites and includes CDN, basic DDoS protection, and SSL. Then click Continue. Next, Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing DNS records. This usually takes a few seconds. It will attempt to detect your current DNS settings, including A records, CNAME records, MX records for email, and TXT records. Carefully review the list to make sure everything looks correct. If your website is hosted on Hostinger, you should see an A record pointing to your Hostinger server IP address. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now, Cloudflare will provide you with two nameservers. These will look something like emma.ns.cloudflare.com and kanye.ns.cloudflare.com. Your nameservers will be different, but you will always receive two of them. This step is very important, so keep this Cloudflare tab open because we'll need these nameservers in the next step. Now we're going to switch over to Hostinger to update the nameservers. Open a new tab and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Domains and click on Manage next to the domain you want to connect to Cloudflare. Then look for the DNS or nameserver section. Click on Change Nameservers. By default, Hostinger will be using its own nameservers. You need to replace those existing nameservers with the two nameservers provided by Cloudflare. Carefully copy the first Cloudflare nameserver and paste it into the first field. Then copy the second one and paste it into the second field. Double check for typos because even a small mistake will prevent the connection from working. Once done, save the changes. After updating the nameservers in Hostinger, go back to the Cloudflare tab. Click the button that says Done, Check Nameservers. Cloudflare will now begin verifying that your domain is pointing to their nameservers. This process is called DNS propagation. It can take anywhere from 5 minutes up to 24 hours, but in most cases it completes within 5 to 30 minutes. During this time, your website should remain accessible, but full activation depends on global DNS updates. Once Cloudflare confirms the nameserver change, your domain will be active on Cloudflare. From this point forward, your website traffic will pass through Cloudflare CDN, which helps cache content, reduce server load, improve loading speeds worldwide, and add an extra layer of security. You can also explore extra features inside Cloudflare like enabling automatic HTTPS, setting up caching rules, and activating basic security protections. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to the free Cloudflare CDN. This simple setup can significantly improve your website's performance and protection without costing you anything. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step hosting, WordPress, and website optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.